shark, yes. A line, down, coming forward. Now we're going to go back to the top and draw the dorsal fin.
Okay.
Then we're going to draw the tail.
Awesome.
Then we're going to draw this part.
Okay.
Then we're going to draw the bottom of the jaw.
Nice.
Now let's draw those teeth. They look as sharp and scary. They look as sharp and scary. I'll draw a tendon at the end of its mouth.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay.
Then I can draw more jagged, sharp teeth on the top. And I'll stop right there. We'll draw about the same long as the others.
Okay. What else does your shark need?
And some of these.
Ooh, gills. Very good. What else?
A black dot is a nostril.
Okay. What else does it need?
An eye.
Okay.
But we're gonna need a googly eye.
Okay. We can put a googly eye in there.
Or I could draw an eye.
How about you? Well, that's great. We can put a googly eye in later, okay? All right.
Okay.
Now, I'm going to duplicate this layer, and then I want you to color in this layer. So go to the brush settings.
First I'll draw that. I think this needs to be a little bigger. So I can draw that.
Okay. So let's switch to the marker pen that I made. Do the HEB Super Tip Thin marker. There you go. Okay. And what color did you want to color this shark?
With this color.
Okay.
Indigo. Have you ever seen an indigo shark?
I have not. But
This should be a lot bigger.
So since the kids at home will have a marker like you do, I thought maybe we can leave it like this, and then you can color like you would on paper. Yeah, like that. You can zoom in or out, however you want. And then just color your shark in.
Oops.
That's okay.
It should be going behind.
That's okay. We can. There you go. Nice coloring.
Oops. I colored in one of the teeth. But that's okay. I undid it. Dad, look at the shark. I'll make it just a little bigger.
No, leave it small. Remember, the kids at home don't have this app. They're drawing with markers.
Daddy, you wanna see this? You wanna see this shark, kitty shark?
We're making a video.
You wanna be in it?
I reckon.
Okay. So everybody at home needs to use their iPad like this.
They probably don't have an iPad. They're probably coloring with pen and paper, which is why I made the pens to mimic the materials that we used this morning on your paper drawing.
Yes. I'll leave that white.
Okay. The bottom jaw, you're gonna leave the bottom jaw white?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then gonna leave the rest of the shark indigo.
Okay.
Since I'm on the rainbow colored,
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna keep coloring until I get to the last part of the shark.
Well done.
Just color there.
Okay. Is there anything else you wanted to color in?
Nope.
Okay.
first, I kind of want to spell this, the name of the shark. Oops,
Okay.
oops.
Add text.
Text.
And move it so you can see it. Here.
Don't worry. There it is. Now, Daddy, look. It's the shark.
It's the mommy shark.
And I put a shark,
Emoji.
on the bottom.
Okay. Now, did you want to put the googly eye in there?
Let's put a googly eye on the shark.
All right. So add a photo.
Go to this one.
Insert photo and then select that. Okay. Now move that. Ooh.
I'll make it just a little small.
And then just move it where you want it. It's okay. We'll put it on the top layer.
Don't worry, I can do that.
Okay, go to the layers and move it up. All the way up, all the way up, all the way up. Needs to go all the way up. There you go. Is that the size you wanted for the googly eye?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so is your shark all done?
Uh-huh.
Okay, go ahead and export it.
As
PNG.
yes, PNG.
And then save to device. There you go. Good job. High five.
High five!
Yeah.
Dad,